Welcome to the video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a Dockerized version of Jenkins server. In our previous video, we talked about how to run the WAR file, download the jar file, WAR file, a version of Jenkins, and how to run it. And in this document, you're going to see it's this is you can find this document in my website. I recently implemented a breadcrumb feature, so you can navigate from my home blog, courses, DevOps, and Jenkins, and then this is the first link, intro to Jenkins. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Dockerized solution. So the first thing you're going to do is to copy this Dockerized this Docker command and bring up your terminal. You can ignore this. This is my local website. So you run this. Let's just keep this port unchanged and just run it. And this docker run command is going to download the image if it is not there in your local, and it will, once it finish the downloading, it will run it. I think it's already finished. It's pretty fast. And you will see that there is a root admin password that is actually located inside of this container. In this location, you can copy paste this into a file, but you don't need it actually. You don't need to cat out the content, because the password is also, you can find it here. So what I will do next is that I'm going to open a website that's on port 8080. As you can see, it's on port 8080, and this is your Jenkins instance that is being run. So what I want to do is that I copy this password and paste it here, and you hit enter, and let's click on the left hand side, and you will see this progress bar. It will take a few seconds to finish. All right, and on the right hand side, you can see these are the logs for what is going on, because it's written by Java, so you can see a lot of Java logging. Info means different logging levels. You can see these are all relevant to Java, right? So this is probably using some MVC models. Yeah, that's what it means. Look, it's installing it. There is a splash screen, probably using Ajax, but it's just showing you what is it doing. And the logs, once it is done, I will see the next screen. All right, so this installation is very straightforward. And once this is done, you can choose to create another admin user, meaning that, well, that's admin user, which has almost the root privileges, but you just try to avoid using the root account. But you can choose to create it. But in my case, I don't really need it, so I'll click on this skip and continue as admin. And this is the same URL that I'm accessing right now. If you have a load balancer and then you do have abc.com, like your own website or your internal website, this is very likely it's your internal. It's only accessible in your corporate inside of your company, so you won't make it public. But let's just click that. Let's say start Jenkins using Jenkins. Right. This is the Jenkins instance installation. And once you have done that, we will create a job, and I'll create a freestyle job. I will say freestyle project. How about that? And then let's click OK. And this is the view that everybody is going to see in no, this is the actually the source code management Git. You can actually try uh, going back to my GitHub, for instance. Going back to my GitHub, I remember I asked you guys to create a public repo from the Spring Boot tutorial website, and for this guy, I do have a Jenkin file, which I will show you detail later. This is basically a skeleton. It does nothing. It's just like did a git checkout, did a Maven build, um, and produce the jar file, and that's it. So what I need to do is that I'm gonna copy this link, and I'm gonna switch back to here, and then I will copy it here. Um, just keep in mind that going back to my website, no, sorry, my GitHub repo, um, I think there is some glitches of the mm, me me go come back. There's a little blinking. Let me just close that. All right, let me restart the server. I think there are some Google Chrome issues. Um, mm, let me restart my Google Chrome. Okay, let's get back to because the instance is still running, so I don't worry too much about it. We shouldn't redo everything. So let's just get back. Oh, it does ask for that password. Then now you will need that password. Okay, that password is right here. I would say keep me signing just in case, right? This is the Freestyle project. So let's click on that. What leave us before was the config. So let's get back. This is the freestyle, and you're gonna go back to the config, and we choose Git. That's the problem, and we copy that GitHub. Okay, I think I'm gonna log in um, to my to my personal account. All right, and I'm gonna get a GitHub repo. I'll keep a different instance of Chrome just in case something is going to happen. So I'm gonna copy this. Remember that that project is a public Git project. This is a public Git project, not private. So if you see that I have a lot of project that is private, but this one is a public. In this example, I'm going to show you the configuration where we do not have a credential. So we say, credential 0, none. But we want to make sure this is main branch. Um, I would like to mention that is because if you open this up, enter this repo, and you will see the main branch. All the branches are actually found here. Okay, you can view all the branches. Um, there is no master branch. So master branch might be a legacy stuff. So we want to change that and save it. And now what I want to do is I'm going to click on this build now, and it should have a job going on, and I click on that job. I click on the console log, and you will see it is checking out, right? It is checking out. Um, all right. I do not actually see. Um, I do not actually see this building process in this log. So, in other words, I do not believe it's actually building anything. Some of you might see that. Now I'm going to show you um, in a different way where we use a normal process as a pipeline. And because in that Jenkins file, the pipeline is specified and then it will do the job properly. So in next video, I'm going to show you how to do a pipeline project using Jenkins. All right, so this let's stop in this video. I'll see you in next video.